All right, let's take a few minutes and talk about factors and what they are. Now, factors are simply, if you take a number, what are the numbers that fit evenly into it? It's factors. So let's look at an example. What if I asked you to give me the factors of 8? Now, what numbers fit evenly into 8? And here's a little tip. We can easily do this little process to try and find the factors. Let's start with the number itself at one end and 1 at the other end. Because 1 fits into 8 times, and 8 fits into it once. So we say 1 and 8 are definitely factors. So any number, you could say 1 is a factor and the number itself. So they're definitely going to be in my list of factors. Start at 1. Let's work our way up to 2. Now let's have a look. Does 2 fit evenly into 8? Well, yeah, it does. 2 times 4 is 8. So I'd say 2 is a factor. And 2 times 4 gives me 8. So I know that 4 is also a factor. Let's look at the next number. 3. Does 3 fit into 8? No, it doesn't. And how could I check? Well, I could use my calculator. I could simply say, well, what is 8 divided by 3? And it'll be some number that's got decimals. So if it's not a whole number, then it's not a factor. So I know that 3 isn't. Now I'm back up to 4, so I can stop because there are no bigger factors. So I would say that the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So 8 has 4 factors. All right, let's look at another example. What if I asked you for the factors of 12? Okay, let's do the same process. I know that 1 and 12 are both factors. All right, that's given. Okay, 12 definitely fits into 12. 1 definitely fits into 12. Let's see if there are other factors. Now remember, my process said I'm going to start at 2. And I'm going to go 12 divided by 2 gives me 6, which is a whole number. So in other words, 2 times 6 gives me 12. So 2 and 6 are both factors. Let's go up to the next number. Does 3 fit into 12? Well, I know that 3 times 4 gives me 12. So 3 is a factor. That must mean that 4 is also a factor because 4 fits into that 3 times. Now you can check those with your calculator. So if I did 12 divided by 4, I would get 3. Okay, so I know now the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All right, that is how we find the factors and what factors are.